A civil authority has issued shelter-in-place warning for the following counties or areas. Boulder, Colorado. At 4:24 p.m. on February 7th, 2023, effective until 5:24 p.m. Emergency officials have lifted the shelter-in-place order at 16:23:58 on February 7th, 2023 for all affected boundary areas. The suspect has not been caught, so please use caution as you return to normal activities. Pertinent updates will be communicated if they become available. Click https://tinyurl.com/boco alert for a map of the affected area.